Welcome to the Poi course. I'm really glad you're here. You're about to go on a journey of the mind-body connection and personal expression. You're going to learn all the basic movements of Poi, plus skills and knowledge that will let you master them. And you're going to learn a lot about learning. I've taught Poi to thousands of people. I've been teaching Poi professionally for 12 years. So I have a lot I can share with you. And perhaps the most important thing of all is this. The thing that's going to determine whether this is smooth or frustrating is whether you practice the lead-ups. Straight out of old martial arts movies, right? Karate Kid. If you take the time with each hand and you do the lead-ups and enjoy them and find how they're interesting, one hand and then the other hand, and polish the pieces, then putting the pieces together in the final movement is fun and smooth. If you jump ahead and just try to do the movement you want to get to without polishing the pieces, then it can be really frustrating. So I'll be coaching you through this through the entire course and coming back to the idea over and over again. And in the real world courses, I do that, and there's always a few students who don't listen. So it's up to you. You can be one of the people who enjoys the lead-ups and finds Poi smooth and fun to learn, or you can be one of the few people who jump ahead to the final move all the time and find Poi frustrating. I'm not attached, that's your choice. But of course, I prefer if you have fun, so practice the lead-ups. We have 150 videos awaiting. You've got a whole community of people playing with you. Hopefully you found some friends in the real world. So let's get started.